Okay, I'm back. Please disregard the mess in the back. I have just switched bedrooms and it is what it is. At any rate, a little out of breath. I just did a bunch of prep. So I want to talk about plans. Part of dealing with everything I'm dealing with is I have to find some footing. I've got to find some grounding and a place to sit myself, a focus or 3 or 5. So in that is making plans, routines, of course, but mostly making plans. I need to have something to ground me, and I miss my YouTube. I constantly get messages that y'all miss me, so that works out pretty good, doesn't it? I think that would be a good plan to start with. Sorry, that light was blinding me. So that's my plan. My plan is to come back to YouTube. I'm sure the channel is going to change some. I can't give you a definite at this very moment as of how. I do want to continue doing the my client spells, videos of my client spells, and I've been expanding. I'm doing a lot of healing now and blessings. I don't know about doing a lot of video when it comes to that, because a lot of the time I'm with the client or in their home, and I definitely don't want to make anyone feel uncomfortable. But I can give a synopsis of what happened, possibly a still photo here and there to show. Now, that kind of leads me into something else I wanted to discuss. I was really, really working towards, I had the intro going, and I was working towards getting, I had the Patreon up, and I just had a lot going on, and I was working towards really pushing the channel and pushing views and pushing subscriptions and, my brand and Old Crone's Corner in general, not just my practices, but the fairs and, all of it. I just was pushing. Excuse me. I personally am just getting over pneumonia. At any rate, I want to change direction. I miss when I would meet with you guys and we would do stuff. I would do stuff or tutorial or whatever you want to call it. And I did no editing. I didn't edit, and I don't want to edit. I don't want to do that. I don't need to be some great big channel. I don't need 40,000 viewers or subscribers. I don't need that. I need you guys. I need my community. I need my people. And whether that ends up being 2 or 40,000, that's up to the gods. I just want to do what I do and reach as many people as possible and help as many people as possible. I have a tickle. That stinks because I'm trying to do this video in one shot. Okay, so channel changes. I'm not going to pursue Patreon and all. First of all, I don't know how to do any of that stuff. Second of all, editing is not my first nature. I don't know how to do any of that. But third of all, I like being real. I like being raw. I like being me. And to do that, I can't do all the other. Do you understand what I mean? It's like, I feel like it's a little, for me, not for everyone, for me in general. It feels like I am trying to be something other than just what I am. And I know that's not the case. I know it would allow me to get more beneficial information in the video and not the extra babble like I'm doing now. But it feels disingenuous to me, and I for me, and I don't want to do that. So I'm not going to. I do. I do, however, want to get back to videos, often videos, and I'd like to do talk about the changes that my practice has gone through because, oh my God, in the last literally 2 years, there have been just so many, and as of late, huge. So let's talk about my situation. After my buddy died, my son, bless him, moved in with me and my daughter. So it is me, my daughter, my 2 grandchildren, my son, and it's amazing. However, because of that, my witchy room has been moved. And I don't have an access to a lot of items. I have a lot, but there's like my herbs and that type of thing I'm having trouble getting a hold of. So it's because we've been changing the house around to make everyone fit properly, because we do have a large house. I mean, it's 4 bedrooms. Everyone has their own spaces, but getting everybody switched and all that stuff has taken a long time. And, we've had water pipe breakage and plumbing issues and cars break down. I mean, it's been a go. It's been like literally the last 3 months has just been pushing the stress levels. No lie. So at the moment, I have finally found my space. Is it set up and ready to go? Hell no. No. But if I wait till it is, it may never. And I don't want to wait anymore. I want to get back to you. I want to get back to me. And my buddy will be with us. It's his wedding ring and his ashes in. He wore this hammer. His hammer. Not this exact one, but he wore one. I don't know, the last 10 years of his life. He never took it off from the day it went on. He never, ever, not once took it off. So we gave that exact necklace to my son. And my daughter and I each, Amanda and I each got one of these, which is, it's an urn. And then, of course, I wear his wedding ring. And that's all in honor of him. So it's kind of cool that I constantly feel like he's with me, which is amazing and good. At any rate, back to the channel. So I want to start doing a lot of nature things. I have a lot of plans, because plans are really what's kind of holding me together right now. The number one is I got to quit smoking. I got to quit smoking. Not because of past events, simply because I want to function. I want to be able to take a walk with my grandkids and with my dog and go to the beach and beachcomb and go out in nature and forage. And I can't do those things right now. I can't breathe well enough to do those things right now. And that's because I smoke. So I have been losing weight quite a bit, honestly. Since the last time I did a video, I've lost nearly 40 pounds, which is kind of awesome and kind of scary. Considering in the beginning, I was trying to lose weight, but not recently. But stress will do that. It'll just screw you all up. So, at any rate, the witchy room has been moved into a shed. So the plan over the next few weeks is to get that in shape so that I can get back to my items. Even if I bring them, I do where I bring stuff in and work on it in here, because right now it's 32 degrees outside. So that's not going to happen. But I may be able to set up, I have a little heater. I have 2 or 3. I may be able to, we're going to see what happens. At any rate, the goal right now is to get that room set up, get this room set up, and to get a car. I need to get a car. My car is just on the brink, and it's just not working for me. And so quit smoking, set up the shed, get a car, exercise. I need routine. I need to create and stick to some routines. So that's coming up. I'd like to, like I said, work out in nature more. Yeah, so those are my immediate plans. And then I don't really have a workstation here. So I'm going to have to set up somewhere to do workings because I do want to get back to the videos. So we're definitely going to do that. Maybe on the dresser. I don't know yet. The camera will reach over there. If nothing else, we'll see what we can do. At any rate, point being, plants. I'm centering on plants. Okay, and I am going to do one more video. It was not tagged. I was not tagged in it. I am not a new YouTuber. However, I'm a returning YouTuber. And I am just going to take it upon myself to do this challenge, this tag. It is called 2026 Witchcraft Ins and Outs. And I'm going to do that video. Hopefully today, maybe not. Yeah, that's where I'm at. I love you guys. I love you and I miss you. I mean, I honestly freaking miss you. I miss being in contact. I miss having time together. I miss the lives. Oh my God, I miss the lives so much. And now that I have a private space, we can do that again and, just get back to the community because I miss you all. And I miss that part of my life immensely. Just like totally off subject. Have any of you ever bought the bamboo stick candles? I've had them before, but I forgot something. They pop the whole time they're burning. And for the longest time today, I didn't know what that noise was. I was like, what in the hell am I hearing? It was the candle. Now I know, but yeah, I hadn't heard it in it's been a long time since I had one, so I didn't even have it. So there's that. Damn, I kind of wish we were live right now. I just would love to just sit and visit. Honestly, I would love that. But we're not. So I guess I will close this out. I am probably going to do the other video today. I may not release it today or load it today. Because good Lord, this is number 2 and it's long-winded. I mean, it's already been 13 minutes. So anyway, you are all divine, sacred beings of light and love. I love each and every one of you with all of my being, my entire heart. I miss you so very much, and I will see you all very soon. Have a blessed day.